Hello and welcome to a brand new video on our channel Valley for Techs. Did you know that you can now use ChatGPT, the incredible AI assistant, directly on WhatsApp? Imagine chatting with a smart bot that understands you and answers your questions anytime, just like having a personal assistant at your fingertips. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to add ChatGPT to your WhatsApp contacts and start chatting effortlessly. Stay tuned until the end to learn all the details. ChatGPT is a smart bot powered by artificial intelligence, developed by OpenAI. It can answer your questions, assist with daily tasks, and even chat with you in your preferred language. By using it on WhatsApp, you won't need any additional apps, just your phone and an internet connection. The first step is to add the ChatGPT number to your contacts. Just follow these steps. Open the Contacts app on your phone. Enter the robot's number, which is +1 800 242 8478. Don't worry, I'll leave you the number in the description below the video. Click on the Create a New Contact button, then type an appropriate name for it. For example, ChatGPT OpenAI, or any other name you prefer. Select the country to which the bot's phone number belongs, which is the United States of America. Finally, click on the Save button to save the bot number in your contacts. Step 2. Open a conversation with ChatGPT on WhatsApp. Just follow these steps. Open the WhatsApp application, then search for ChatGPT's contact according to the name you wrote in your contacts. Now, start the conversation by writing a welcoming message, such as, "Hello ChatGPT." You can now ask any question or request help on any topic. For example, what are some tips for learning programming? Give me an easy recipe for lasagna. Help me draft a professional email. Treat ChatGPT like your personal assistant. Use it for work, study, or even entertainment. If you face any issues, try resending the message or check your internet connection. Remember, ChatGPT provides responses based on available data, so verify the information for sensitive purposes. If you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends so they can also benefit from this smart assistant. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.